Autopilot responder campaigns maximize your relationship with your subscribers. Setup is a snap, and running them is completely hands-off. Let's have a closer look. Autopilot responder campaigns are a series of messages automatically sent to a designated list based on a subscriber-triggered activity or an origin date that you specify. While you can create an unlimited number of series and messages within a series, it's always best to start simple. Just a note, before you create a new series, your designated rich list with the origin date inserted into a rich field and the messages you want to send must be prepared and ready to roll. In case you're wondering, you can create your own rich list and insert an origin date as a specific field for each email address, or MailDog can create a subscription form for users to opt in to a specific series. Each time the subscription form is used, a new origin date is automatically inserted into a designated rich field for that specific subscriber. Check out the video tutorial on rich lists for more details on setting up your list, or the Opt-in Manager tutorial for more details on setting up an opt-in form. When you're ready, start by clicking on the Responders button in the main menu in Campaigns. Here you can either create a new autopilot responder series or modify an existing series. When creating a new series, first enter a name for the series, up to 100 characters, and optionally enter a short description, up to 255 characters. This will help you identify it in the future. You can rename or change the description of a series at any time. Next, fill out the from name and from email in the header. Remember, your readers will see this information and will be able to reply to your chosen from email address. Now use the List drop-down menu to select the list you want to assign to this autopilot responder series. There can only be one list assigned per series. You can view all your lists to check out your selection by clicking on the View Lists link. Remember, the rich list you select must include an origin date inserted into a rich field to be used as an autopilot responder series list. It also must be consistently referenced in a field. For example, you don't want some dates in field 2 and some in field 3. The platform needs a consistent field number in order to identify dates for your subscribers. So let's talk about origin dates. Origin date refers to the original reference date the first email campaign in your series will reference in order to begin. All campaigns are then scheduled a specific number of days out from the origin date. After selecting your list, use the drop-down menu to select which rich field number within your rich list your origin date resides in. MailDog will automatically suggest an origin date, but you must verify and confirm its selection. Next, you will select the origin date format. MailDog will accept any format type for the date field in the rich list. Please be sure to note the specific field format type, as you must select the type used within the date format drop-down menu. MailDog will automatically suggest a date format, but you must verify and confirm its selection. This feature basically serves as a translator to make sure that we're both speaking the same language when it comes to these critical dates. Tip: click the Ignore Year checkbox here to send the email campaign on the same month and day of the current year and sequential years automatically. This is great for birthday or anniversary campaigns. Now move down to the second half of the form to start adding messages to the series. First, enter the subject that your recipients will see in the header section of your first email. Keep it short and compelling, 3 or 4 words max. Optionally, enter a short description for your message, up to 255 characters. This will help you identify it in the future, and it's just for your own use. Now select a message you want to send out. As you can see, you must have your message finalized before using the drop-down list to select it. It's okay to reuse messages that you have in your account that are being used in other campaigns. Enter in the number of days from the origin date you wish the message to be sent within your series. The days out from origin always refers to the original origin date within the rich list selected. For example, if you want to schedule a series of messages to be sent every day for 1 week after the subscription, the first message is scheduled as 1 day out from origin. The second message is scheduled as 2 days out from origin, etc. And if you want the first message to be sent at the time of opt-in or on the origin date, enter 0 days out from origin. Once you have all the autoresponder details filled in, you can schedule the delivery of your message by selecting the time of day desired from the drop-down menu. The specific day the email is scheduled to be sent is determined by the days out from origin. The time to send selects the time of day that the message is sent. Please schedule an East Coast time, then click Save. After saving, you'll see that the form drops down and adds another message option. The total number of messages in your series is up to you. Once you have a series set up, you may need to delete or modify it. To delete an existing autopilot responder series, simply select the name desired from the scheduled series and click Delete in the main menu. A warning will appear under the main menu stating, "Are you sure you want to delete this entire series? All campaigns related to the series will also be deleted and cannot be undone." You must confirm yes if you wish to delete in order to delete the entire series. To edit any existing autoresponder series, click on the name of your scheduled series in the Responder tool. Edit the responder form by changing any details desired. Be sure to click Save to keep your changes. Need to remove a single message from an existing autopilot responder series? Simply delete the text found in the subject field and then click Save in the main menu to delete that message. You can have multiple series too. If you need to create another series, just fill out the form again after coming to the main Responder Manager. You'll find that autopilot responder campaigns take a little thinking through. Not so much scheduling them, it's a snap. Rather, thinking through what you'd like your new customers or prospects to receive from you, in what frequency and what duration. Like all new marketing endeavors, it's best to start simple and then make changes as soon as you learn what works.